Da-da-da. Welcome back. My name is Maxim from Momoyoga, and today we're going to have a look at how we can add on-demand video content to our Momoyoga environment so that our yogis can keep practicing outside of the classes that they follow with us. To get started, we're going to go and head over to the Videos tab in our Momoyoga environment. And here we'll be able to add a video. Do keep in mind, Momoyoga doesn't host a video platform themselves, so you have to upload it to either YouTube or Vimeo yourself to be able to add videos to Momoyoga. So you provide the link to your YouTube video to us, and we will display it within our Momoyoga environment. A common concern and worry from you is that everyone will be able to see the videos that you host and upload to YouTube or Vimeo. You can simply upload them and select them and present them as unlisted on YouTube, and they won't be able or findable by other people on YouTube without having the specific link to the video themselves. So this way it ensures that your videos stay private and that only the yogis within your studio are able to see the videos. Now, one thing to note is that your yogis are only able to see the videos through a specific membership. So you can either include the video libraries or playlists you make specifically to a certain membership, or you can offer a free membership on your yoga account or your Momoyoga account, where your yogis will be able to view this playlist. Or you can offer specific content for free, and some of our videos you can include within specific memberships. And that's everything in regards to creating your own video library on Momoyoga. And that was it for this tutorial. We hope you found it useful. Let us know what you think. And if you want to know more about Momoyoga, or if you have any other question, you can visit our help center. And if you enjoyed this video, we have many more videos like this covering a lot of different topics.